Hi, my name is Jeff Leach. I work at Mustang Power Water. I'm a boiler turbine engineer, and I'm 42 years of age. I had a bicep tear, a distal bicep rupture. I was putting my son's car on a trailer, and I slipped on the ice. I had a full rupture, full extension under full load. Popped the bicep, rolled up about 2 inches. It was pretty painful at first. Took some ibuprofen, iced it quickly. And by the time I was looked at 3 days later, they recommended surgery right away. And through referrals, which I have a lot of powerlifting friends, they recommended Dr. Cobb. I had a friend, Steve Houston, who had his bicep tear, and he said within 90 days he was good to go, almost 100% again. So for me, being a powerlifter, and that's what I like to do, that was my best option. So I made sure I went to go see Dr. Cobb right away. The recovery went pretty fast. The first week I was basically in a cast, so I was very limited what I could do. Did not have full range of movement or anything. After the first week, another checkup. They took the cast off and put me in a soft cast, and I started getting some mobility back in my hands and flexibility in my wrist, supination of the bicep. Within 3 weeks, I was lifting again, making sure I didn't use a lot of the bicep, but I could do most of my other lifts. Bench press, militaries, just very careful on how I use my bicep, doing deadlifts and back. By about the 4th week, I was bench pressing 450 pounds again. I was doing my militaries over 400 pounds, but I was real cautious on using my bicep and what utilized my bicep. And I think that really helped me with my recovery. And with the assistance of Dr. Cobb and his therapy group, they give me a bunch of different exercises to do to strengthen that forearm and to help with the flexibility to make that stronger. And me having some personal experience in training, he thought I could be a little more aggressive on the therapy aspect, knowing what utilizes that bicep. But within 3rd or 4th week, I was doing most of my normal lifts again. They got a nice clean venue up there from their surgery department to all their staff members. It was just a good experience overall. I'm very happy with what transpired from it.